Hola, estudiantes. I'm just showing us how to use Google Translate today. So this is for your assignment on Wednesday. You are going to need to go to Google Translate. I'm sure most of you have been here before, but just showing you that when you do type in Translate into Google, it does give you a text box right here already, but I would go down here to the actual website and click on that. It gives you a lot more options over here. So, you probably already know that you need to have English on one side and your other language on the other. So we'll put English on the left and we'll change our languages on the right. So what you're going to do for your assignment is you're going to put your 5 facts into here and you're going to translate each one of them into a different one of our languages. Now, as you can see, I've already used German and Spanish and English before, so I already have them in my recents, but all you have to do is click this down arrow right here and it shows you all of the languages. So we can see German's already checked here. We have French right above it. We have Japanese over here. Make sure you click on Japanese, not Havanese. And we have Spanish way over here. And then lastly, I get a lot of people asking me about Chinese because there's two. For our class, let's use simplified, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our facts. Here's mine. You should have already read these probably yesterday. So I'm going to copy and paste one of my facts. Copy. Google Translate. Let's go here, paste where it already says English. And notice I already have German turned on, so here is my fact in German. So I'm going to copy and paste that. And you can either put that directly into your reply on the discussion board, or you can put it into a Word document where you can copy and paste it later. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to copy and paste another one of my facts. Okay, and I'm going to change to a different language. I already know Spanish, so let's look and see. I want to change this one to Japanese. And there you go. So I would copy and paste this one also, and I would put that either into my Google Doc for later or directly into my discussion board reply. Once you've gone all the way through all 5 facts and you've used all 5 of our languages, then you can submit that to the discussion board thread. So Google Translate's a pretty cool thing. You can use it here and there for our class. I'm going to let you know when I want you to use it. Otherwise, you can use it just for fun too. You can obviously translate into any of these languages, but especially the 5 for our class. Well, let me know if you guys have any questions and use this to complete assignment 2.